Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make press-on nails look like acrylics. So first, pick out your sizes. Try to pick one that is bigger than your actual nail because we are going to cut tips out of them. So here I'm just trimming the size and shape it as if it was a real tip. Then file the whole nail. Then cut out the rest of your nails, making sure they fit perfectly from side to side. Apply base coat to your natural nails to act as a protective layer. Then use some nail glue to attach the tips. So like in my other videos, I am going to be using the cornstarch glue method to create thickness in my nails to help them look like acrylics. So anyways, I did 2 layers of this. If you do this, I recommend doing 3 because when I filed it, I filed a lot of it away. So once you're happy with the result, just paint your nails. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with friends and family. Bye!